Hi friends, today we're going to talk all about our data using graphs and tallies about answering some questions. So I grabbed a handful of M&Ms out of the jar, and if I was to ask you a whole bunch of questions about these M&Ms, would you be able to answer them? Could you tell me what color has the most? What color has the least? Are there more blues than green? Are there more yellows than orange? Well, here's a really easy way to find out. These graphs. So I tallied up how many of each color we have. So we have 4 reds, 4 yellows, 5, 10 greens, 5, 6, 7, 8 blues, 4 browns, 5, 10, 11 orange. And then I drew them out on a graph. And now that they're out on a graph, I can easily see that each color is down here at the bottom, and that's our label for each column. So these are green ones, the brown ones, the orange ones, blue, yellow, and red. I have my numbers up the side of how many units I am graphing in each box. And these can change. If I had a whole bunch of things that I'm graphing, like how many kids are in each class of the E1 at JJ Hill, I could easily say that maybe I want to count by 2s. Maybe I want to count by 5s. Because to put 25, 26, 27 kids on each chart would be a lot. But in this stance, I have 1, which means that I'm talking about 1 M&M. 2, I'm talking about 2 M&Ms. And so on and so forth. So now with this information, you guys can answer some questions for me. I want to know what color has the most. Yep, I can easily see. I go to the top of my graph, which one is higher than all the others. That tells me that orange has 11, and that is the most. I can also ask which one has the least. Well, I see there's a tie for least, because 3 of them have the same numbers and there aren't any below that. So brown, yellow, and red have the same amount and they're all the least. I could also ask you different questions, like, does blue have more or less than green? Well, looking at this, I can easily see that here's blue, here's green. There is a difference there. The difference is 1, 2, and green has more than blue. My question was, does blue have more or less than green? So I need to say that blue has less than green. I can also use my tally marks over here to figure out questions like, how many M&Ms are there altogether? Well, if I didn't add all my tally marks in their separate little spaces, I could use my scratch paper here and put them all together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 5. Wait, 5 sets of 5, that's easy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I'm starting with a big number, 25 plus, I have 4, and 4 is 8. If I was to rewrite this, it could look like this, and I could add another 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I could use this 5 now and go plus 5 more. Well, here's some more ones, and here's some ones, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could borrow one of those and borrow another one, because 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So here's another 5 that I could add up here. Oh, I can use this one and make this 5. So that 5 we can add up here. And then I just have 1 left over. So I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 5s. 5, 6, 7, 8 5s. And that would be 25, 30, 35, 40. Plus I have 1 left over. I could easily say there are 41 M&Ms altogether.